Hi, it's Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and on today's video I'm going to show you how to add the group policy editor to your Windows Home Edition installations of either Windows 10 or Windows 11. Now, the principle is the same for pretty much either one of them. There will be some information in the video description, so you can copy and paste that into a notepad document. Then you can create a batch file or bat file from that information, run it, and then hopefully you should have the group policy editor enabled on your system. Now, due to the fact that Windows is constantly evolving and updating, there may become a time where this no longer works, in which case I apologize in advance, but for now it should be absolutely fine. So let's head over to the computer and we'll show you how it's done. So on our Windows desktop, as you can hopefully see, there is a notepad document. Now what you're going to want to do is, in the information in the video description, just copy the bits that I'm telling you to copy, which you can see on the screen right now, and just paste them into Notepad. Now, it doesn't matter which version of Notepad you've got particularly, either one is fine. Once you've got all the information there, what you want to do is go into View and turn off Word Wrap so that the lines actually match up as they should be. Then what we want to do is to head over into File, and then we want to choose Save As, and then you can choose to call it whatever you want. I'm going to call it Enabler, and at the bottom here, you want to change it so that it says all files. At this point then, you can go back up to where it says enabler and then put a dot, then a BAT for bat, so batch file. You can save it wherever you want to. I'm going to save it to the desktop still, where we're working at the moment. So if I click on save, there we go, we have now got our batch file. So we can close this window down, we no longer need that. And what we're going to want to do is to actually right click on our enabler, and we're going to want to choose Run as Administrator. Now when I click on this, the screen's going to go blank because I'm recording this in OBS, but you should see a Windows account authorization. Just click on OK. You probably heard it there, so Windows Command Processor, click Yes. And then you'll go through and it'll start downloading all the bits and pieces you need. Just wait, be patient. It'll download a whole bunch of packages, and then at the end, you're going to get a message saying press any key to continue, which means essentially it's done. Oh, and that's good timing. It says it's done. So press any key to continue. I'm going to press the space bar, so that's closed down that window. So now in theory, we should be able to run gpedit msc, the snap-in, actually from the control panel there, or from the start menu. And there we go. There is our local group policy editor. So now you can go and make your changes and do whatever you want from videos that you've seen on the internet. As always, make sure that you do a system backup before you make any changes. And ideally, you probably should have done one before you started doing this. But anyway, I digress. So there you go. It's a pretty straightforward and easy way of adding the group policy editor to your Windows Home Editions, be it Windows 10 or Windows 11. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, potentially this may change due to Microsoft changing certain files, etc. If that is the case, then either please do let me know, or you'll find there is an updated video on this. If you come over here from the video on how to change the Copilot settings in Windows, thank you very much for bearing with me and waiting for this video to be released. So I think that's going to pretty much wrap this one up. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you have, smash the like button. If you want to see more content of this on a daily basis, maybe consider hitting the subscribe button and the chime notification. That way you'll be notified of future video releases. But for now, I've been Mike. This is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To. Hopefully we'll catch you in the very next video. Thanks for watching.